Hi friends, in this problem we have four positive real numbers a, b, c, d, and there is a restriction on them. What is the restriction? The sum of these four is 2, right? Because there is a restriction on the size of these numbers, obviously the product will also be restricted. Product of these numbers a plus b into c plus d. What is the range of this? For example, can a be 3? If a is 3, to make the sum, at least one of the bcd or they together should make -1. That means there is some negative in bcd, which is not possible. So a cannot be 3, 5 or whatever. Right. So there is a restriction on these numbers. With this restriction, a plus b into c plus d becomes how much? Right. This is a very simple problem. We'll use our AMGM inequality. Right. What is inequality? AM of arithmetic mean of two numbers is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. We know that. We know that, right? Why? For example, if we take two numbers, root A and root B, both are positive, right? Root A and root B both are positive. Then root A minus root B whole square is always greater than or equal to 0 because it's a square. That means A plus B minus 2 root of B is always greater than or equal to 0. That means A plus B is greater than or equal to 2 root AB. That means if we bring this 2 to the left side, it becomes A plus B by 2 is greater than or equal to root AB. That means arithmetic mean is always greater than or equal to geometric mean. Equality when A and B are same. A plus A by 2, that is A. 2A by 2 is A, and root A into A, that also is A. Equality when both are same. Let us use this. Now these two numbers, let these two numbers be, one number be A plus B and second number be C plus D. Right. Then a plus b plus c plus d by 2 becomes greater than or equal to under root a plus b into c plus d. Right. Now that means a plus b plus c plus d. What is the total? Total is 2. That is already given. Right. So that means 2 by 2 is always greater than or equal to under root a plus b into c plus d. That means 1 is greater than or equal to under root a plus b into c plus d. That means 1 is greater than or equal to a plus b and c plus d is our m, right? That is what we wanted, right? That means 1 is greater than or equal to root m. That means m is, if it's square on both sides, m is less than or equal to 1. At the same time, all four numbers are positive, right? All four numbers are positive. So that means a plus b is also positive, c plus d is also positive. That means product of two positive numbers, it cannot be 0, right? M by default is greater than or equal to 0 because it is product of two positive numbers, and the highest m can become is 1. Right. M is less than or equal to 1. Right, guys? When is this 1? When is this M 1? When A plus B into C plus D is 1, that means A plus B and C plus D both should be individually 1. That means A, B if there are zero point 0.5 and C, D if they are zero point 0.5, then A plus B into C plus D, right, zero point 0.5 plus 0.5, 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So equality when all four are same and all four, if you take as 0 0.5, then M can become 1. But M is always greater than 0. Please be careful. Here we are given all A, B, C, D are positive. If let's say one of them is negative, then we cannot apply this AMGM inequality. Why? For example, if let's say D is negative, right? Here we have done D is negative and C is positive and C plus D comes out to be negative. Let's say C is 1, D is minus 2. So C plus D becomes minus 1. Then under root of this is not defined, right? So we use AMGM inequality when the numbers are positive only, right? Here also in this case, root AB, we are saying that means A and B are positive, right? Cool, yes. Thank you.